Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this hanging toiletry bag from the brand REGER. By the way, this thing does not only come in black, it comes in a lot of different fancy colors, so it's definitely worth to check it out. And it's not only colorful, but it's also working. That's the most important thing here. There are a lot of hanging toiletry bags which are not working, but this one is working, and I'm going to tell you why, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so this is how this looks, this black model. It's very small, but we can unfold it, you can see, so it becomes quite large. And so this is how it looks. It has even pockets outside, but of course the main pocket, the main container is inside. So you can see it has a lot of space here inside. It has even a couple of straps here to secure a couple of things here inside. And it has this additional pocket here outside with a lot of space. And here on this side as well, a large pocket. And on top it has this really nice carry handle, and inside, that's one of the main things here, it has this hook to hang it in your bathroom, or especially when you're traveling and you don't have a lot of space in a hotel bathroom. This can be super helpful because a lot of hotel rooms, they do not have a lot of space, so this can help a lot for traveling, but of course also at home. So what we have here is a very long or very high toiletry bag, and this has really two advantages. When we have such large things like this hairspray, this thing is very long. I can show you how long or how high this really is. This is about 11 inches or even a little bit more. It looks like it's way too high. You would think, yeah, it's not going to fit, but I can tell you this is definitely fitting here inside easily. By the way, we have two zippers here from both sides and also a little pocket here on top. And we can easily close this thing here, even on the side where we have this very long hairspray, you can see. So it's not like leaning or so, it's absolutely straight. I hope you can see that here inside. It's absolutely straight, absolutely no problem, absolutely perfect. And it does not only have the really huge advantage that we can fit very large items here, it has another really big advantage. Now you can see I filled this up with a lot of stuff here inside and outside, and everything fits absolutely perfectly. Now we are grabbing the top here. This is the hook, and now let's imagine we have this on the wall, and this is how it looks. It's absolutely perfect, absolutely no problem, and everything is perfectly secured here inside. Nothing is falling out. There's absolutely no problem with that, and that's the big advantage here. I've already tested a couple of similar hanging toiletry bags, but all of them have been much shorter, maybe about half of the size or half of the height. And the problem is then when you lift this thing up and they are too short, then they will lean and everything will fall outside. I can tell you, I have tested this. I couldn't believe what they have been constructing and is not working. And this thing here is definitely working and everything fits. It's beautiful, very convenient. Yeah, this is the way to go. And so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.